Yeah, it's Matlacha Boat Rides and Rentals. We're out here on Cayo, Costa. Late afternoon trip. It's always nice to come out this time of day. Avoid the heat. Fewer people. We're out here with Bill Sloan and Irene Clagle. Son Harley. Captain Karl noted where to bring you or what?
Serena better be eating really good cookies at Nanny's house. That's
she
what
said
she wanted
she's going
to
to be
do.
having a better time than me.
Yeah, okay.
I get a peach.
Yeah.
She gets to make cookies.
Yeah.
I get Oreo.
I want cookies by the sea.
Next time,
cookies by the
we'll
ocean.
bring you cookies
Isn't it?
next
What's
time.
the song? Is Cake by the Ocean?
Cake by the Ocean, and what was the other one? Lyle Lovett's like a pony on a boat. like
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you found some sand
Wow.
dollars.
Holy
Fantastic.
cow, right off the bat.
Oh,
Some
wow.
sand
Great job, buddy.
Spend those dollars, huh?
So, we're out here at Cayo, Costa, late afternoon trip. It's always a pleasure to get out here at this time of day. So, if you want to come, you know the number. 239-898-2044. It's a beautiful afternoon out here. Summers are nice because we have daylight until about 9 o'clock. So we can do a late afternoon trip. It's sunset on the way home. And come out here and spend some really good time. Water clarity's been the best it's been probably since 2017. Things are looking good. This is the best shelling beach in the entire Southwest Florida. Bar none. There's no shells left at Sanibel. If you want shelling, you need to come out here and get yourself some. Matlacha Boat Rides and Rentals, Captain Karl signing off. Hope you all had a good weekend. See you soon in Matlacha.